Did you know that you can buy shares of Indian companies through US stock exchange? So say you are living in US and now want to own stock of any Indian company, let's say of NSE or BSE, and now it may not be possible for you because you are not registered in India. So how you can buy those shares? Through this, and which is called American Depository Receipt, ADR. ADR, which is American Depository Receipt, is a certified negotiable instrument issued by an American bank or a broker. It represents one or more shares of foreign company stock held by that bank and the home stock market of that foreign company. Initially, Indian companies issue shares to US depositories or US banks, which hold this stock like an inventory and issue ADR for domestic trading by listing either on New York Stock Exchange or on NASDAQ. So in US dollars, you can buy ADR of Indian company during normal trading hours of US stock exchange timings. And let me tell you, there are two types of American Depository Receipt. Number one, sponsored ADR. They are registered with SEC, which is Security Exchange Commission, and are traded in American Stock Exchange. And number two is unsponsored ADR. In this, banks issue unsponsored ADR, but foreign companies have no involvement in this, and it's traded over the counter, OTC. So are you aware about any Indian companies which are registered in ADR, which is American Depository Receipt? If yes, comment that company's name right now.